Hey there, this is Jmart with Jmart Haunt. So I got a fun product that I received in the mail last week. This is from Lumary. It's permanent outdoor lighting for your eaves. I've actually have a set similar to this through Govee. I'm excited to see what the difference of the version that I have on my home and theirs. This is rated for outdoor use. It has a water IP rating of IP65. The one thing that I'm looking forward to this one that's different from the one that I have from Govee is looks like they have warm white and cool whites with the colors. So I believe that they actually have separate LEDs, which make a big difference, you know, instead of using a combination of colors to give you the warm white or cool white. So that's definitely an upgrade. And the other part that I always like to have fun with, which has the ability, is it syncs with music, and I'm curious to see how that works with my Halloween haunts and Christmas decorations and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. So yeah, it looks like we got two boxes inside of the main box here. So it looks like this is gonna be the power cord and all the extension cables and stuff like that, and then here's the main box with the lights itself. Yeah, let's take a look at these. So they got a bunch of pucks, so that's similar to like the Govee ones that I've done. They got some 3M stickers that make it really easy for the installation. I like that. So they got 3 wires in there. 2 of them are for the power source of it, and then the other one's probably the command wire. So there's 3 wires with that. And let's see if it's one continuous string. I believe that it has, yeah, so they actually have connectors. So this kit looks like it comes with three different strands. That makes it really easy for installation. And then they got these watertight seals that you do to connect the different lines. And then you can look at trying to probably do some additional lines if needed for your home. So there's those. And then let's take a look at here. So this is your power adapter here. So a US plug going into, like I said, the 3 prongs. 2 of them are going to be for the power, and the other one's going to be for the command to send the information for the lights and colors and stuff like that. And I'm looking to see if there's like a mic on this for picking up music and stuff like that. I'm not seeing something on that, but maybe I'm missing it. And then some hardware to help mount it, you know, secure it to the roof. The one thing that they do offer is a remote, which the Govee light doesn't offer, which I do like having. You know, a lot of times you'll end up doing it through the Smart and Alexa setups, which just has the ability to do that as well. But I always kind of like to have a manual remote for just random testing and playing around with stuff. So I actually kind of like how they throw a remote in with this. So I definitely think that's a plus on that. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be playing around with this, kind of see what I can do with my light shows and for the holidays and stuff like that. I'm just looking real quick to see what the LEDs are in here. So they've got the RBG LEDs in here, and then they do have a warm white LED. So it does look like they actually have different LEDs inside of here to do the different sequences. So we'll look at that to see if it mixes colors and stuff like that. But I do think we have an independent LED for the whites, which, like I said, that's really nice to have. It just makes it a more true color when you have that option in there. But yeah, we'll come back. This is just the unboxing of this product. Really excited to try it out for our different holiday decorations and stuff like that. We just wrapped up for Halloween Haunt 2023, but I'm going to start transforming some stuff for Christmas. So I'll be definitely using these in some sort of Christmas display, and I'll be doing another video for that. So make sure to follow and like and subscribe. I'm going to be sending some affiliate links with these guys. It looks like it, you know, I'm excited to actually try some of their other products, especially with my light show and all that type of stuff. So I like anything that ties into the music and syncing and stuff like that. So very excited to see what we're able to do with this. If interested in this product, check out my description. I will be dropping some links that will be going to this product. If you choose to purchase it, I do get a commission. And thank you for watching.